Nutrition plays a crucial role in muscle building, making it essential for individuals looking to gain weight and build muscle effectively. Skinny individuals often face challenges in achieving their desired physique due to a fast metabolism and difficulty in consuming enough calories. In this guide, we will explore the top 10 foods that can help skinny individuals pack on muscle mass and reach their fitness goals. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet, you can optimize your muscle building potential and overcome the obstacles that stand in the way of your transformation.
Food number 1, avocado. Avocados are a powerhouse when it comes to weight gain and muscle building, thanks to their high healthy fat content. These healthy fats provide a concentrated source of calories, making it easier for skinny individuals to meet their daily caloric needs for weight gain. Additionally, avocados are rich in nutrients like potassium, vitamin E, and folate, which support muscle recovery and growth. To maximize the benefits of avocados, try adding them to smoothies, salads, or as a spread on toast for a delicious and nutritious boost to your meals.
Food number 2, quinoa. Quinoa is a nutritional powerhouse for skinny individuals aiming to build muscle, thanks to its high protein content. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, making quinoa an excellent choice for supporting muscle development. Quinoa also provides all 9 essential amino acids, which are crucial for muscle protein synthesis. To incorporate quinoa into your muscle-building diet, try making a quinoa salad with grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, and a lemon vinaigrette dressing, or enjoy a hearty quinoa bowl topped with black beans, avocado, and salsa for a nutrient-dense meal.
Food number 3, salmon. Salmon is a valuable addition to a weight gain and muscle-building diet, thanks to its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats play a crucial role in supporting muscle recovery, reducing inflammation, and promoting overall muscle health. Additionally, salmon is a high-quality source of protein, essential for muscle synthesis and growth. To enjoy the benefits of salmon in your muscle-building journey, try grilling or baking salmon fillets with a honey mustard glaze, or incorporate flaked salmon into a quinoa and vegetable stir-fry for a delicious and protein-packed meal.
Food number 4, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a valuable addition to a weight gain and muscle development diet, thanks to their rich content of complex carbohydrates. These carbohydrates provide sustained energy during workouts, making sweet potatoes an excellent choice for fueling muscle-building exercises. Additionally, sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium, which support muscle function and overall health. To incorporate sweet potatoes into your muscle-building meal plan, try roasting sweet potato wedges with olive oil and herbs, or enjoy a sweet potato and black bean chili for a hearty and nutritious dish.
Food number 5, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a valuable addition to a skinny person's diet for muscle gain, thanks to its high protein content. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, making Greek yogurt an excellent choice for supporting muscle development. Additionally, Greek yogurt contains probiotics that aid in digestion and nutrient absorption, promoting overall gut health. To reap the muscle-building benefits of Greek yogurt, try incorporating it into smoothies, parfaits, or as a topping for baked sweet potatoes for a delicious and protein-packed snack or meal.
Food number 6, nuts and nut butters. Nuts and nut butters are excellent choices for weight gain and muscle building, thanks to their combination of healthy fats and protein. These nutrients play a crucial role in supporting muscle development and repair. Additionally, nuts and nut butters are calorie-dense, making them ideal for individuals looking to increase their caloric intake for weight gain. To incorporate nuts and nut butters into your diet effectively, practice portion control by measuring out servings to avoid overconsumption. Enjoy a handful of mixed nuts as a snack, or spread almond butter on whole grain toast for a satisfying and nutrient-rich treat.
Food number 7, lean beef. Lean beef is a crucial component of a muscle-building diet for skinny individuals thanks to its high-quality protein content. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, making lean beef an excellent choice for supporting muscle development. Additionally, lean beef is rich in iron and zinc, essential minerals that play a key role in muscle function and overall health. To prepare lean beef in a healthy and muscle-friendly way, opt for grilling, broiling, or roasting methods to minimize added fats and maximize nutrient retention. Enjoy lean beef in stir-fries, salads, or as a main dish, paired with roasted vegetables for a satisfying and muscle-building meal.
Food number 8, eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse for weight gain and muscle development, thanks to their complete protein content, essential for muscle synthesis. The high-quality protein in eggs supports muscle repair and growth, making them a valuable addition to a muscle-building diet. Eggs are also rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, vitamin B12, and choline, which support overall health and muscle function. To incorporate eggs into muscle-building meals, try making a vegetable and egg scramble for breakfast, a spinach and feta omelet for lunch, or a protein-packed egg salad for a satisfying and nutrient-dense dinner option.
Food number 9, oats. Oats play a vital role in a skinny person's diet for weight gain and muscle building, thanks to their rich content of complex carbohydrates. These carbohydrates provide sustained energy for workouts and aid in muscle recovery post-exercise. Oats are also high in fiber, promoting digestion and increasing feelings of satiety, which can be beneficial for individuals looking to gain weight. To enjoy oats as a muscle-building breakfast or snack, try preparing overnight oats with Greek yogurt and fruit, or bake oatmeal protein bars for a convenient and nutritious on-the-go option.
Food number 10, chicken breast. Chicken breast is a powerhouse for muscle building and weight gain, thanks to its lean protein content that supports muscle repair and growth. The high-quality protein in chicken breast is essential for optimizing muscle development. Chicken breast is incredibly versatile and can be incorporated into various muscle-building meal prep recipes. To prepare flavorful and muscle-friendly chicken breast dishes, try grilling, baking, or sautéing chicken breast with herbs and spices for added flavor. Enjoy chicken breast in salads, wraps, stir-fries, or as a main dish paired with roasted vegetables for a satisfying and protein-packed meal.
In this video, we have explored the top 10 foods for skinny individuals to gain weight and build muscle effectively. Nutrition plays a crucial role in achieving weight gain and muscle development goals, and incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods is key to success. From avocado to chicken breast, each food offers unique benefits for supporting muscle growth and overall health. We encourage viewers to take action by incorporating these muscle-building foods into their daily meals and snacks, helping them on their journey to achieving their fitness goals. Remember, consistency is key, so start fueling your body with these muscle-building foods today.